Hey Juicers! In physics, there are a lot of unusual terms you may hear. For instance, have you ever heard the word isotope? Isotopes are atoms with the same number of protons but differing numbers of neutrons in the nucleus. Having the same number of protons means isotopes are the same element, but the differing neutron number changes things like the atomic weight and nuclear properties. Let's look at hydrogen, since it's both a simple atom and unique because its isotopes have their own names. The first isotope of hydrogen is usually just called hydrogen, but sometimes it's called protium and has no neutrons, just one proton in the nucleus. Its second isotope is called deuterium and has one proton and one neutron. Its third isotope is called tritium and has one proton and two neutrons. Most other elements have isotopes we refer to with the element name and a number, which is the sum of the protons and neutrons in the nucleus. If you like archaeology or history, you might have heard of carbon-14 dating. Carbon-14 is an isotope of carbon with 6 protons and 8 neutrons, and is different from the usual carbon we deal with, which is carbon-12. Carbon-14 has a property a lot of isotopes share, which is being radioactive. Carbon-14 will, over time, decay and lose some particles, becoming nitrogen-14, a stable isotope of nitrogen. Radioactivity is one of the biggest practical uses for isotopes in the modern world, with decay of uranium and plutonium isotope being the source of power in nuclear power plants. Isotopes are a great example of how small differences with the building blocks of the world can have large effects. And that's the juice.